here in Saguaro Lake, Arizona, and we're going to be kayaking 5 miles to where we get to our destination, which is Bagley Flat. There we'll spend the night camping, hunting for scorpions, fishing, and cooking up some good food. It'll be a fun time. Not the prettiest takeoff. Had to take out some of the weight in the back, so I'm left up with a garbage bag full of gear, got the collapsible fishing rod, tripods, lures, bag, and tent poles. Man, Saguaro Lake is a beautiful lake here in Arizona. Just take a look at it. Currently out here in the middle of it, about half mile in. Still got about 4.5, hopefully. You know, if I did have a tip for anybody starting off with like doing outdoor activities like hiking, kayaking, and stuff like that, I'd say a big key tip is getting in the gym at least 3 times a week, an hour a day. And that's going to really help you with strength and conditioning. It's really going to make an easier time, and you're going to thank yourself in the future for it. And your body's just going to be able to last longer while you're out there, and you know, be able to carry more, and your lower back will be less sore as you strengthen it, and it'll be really good for you and your body. Saguaro Lake also has a really good view of the 4 peaks there. Don't know. Let's see if it's picking it up just a little bit, yeah. That would be an incredible hike one day. Maybe that'll be the next goal. Forgot my sunglasses, and the sun is just barreling right towards me. I'll have to wear the hat like this. That's better. Show you here. We're gonna be going right between there too, and I think that side of the rock too, that'd be really good fishing spot as well, maybe. Alright, we're gonna get a pool in the water. Using a Rapala today. Jerk bait, they're my favorites. Catch anything and everything on them. You only need to bring one. This little collapsible fishing rod is very nifty as well for backpackers. How you doing? Huh? This wall block the sun out. Wouldn't be a bad wall to rock climb, because if you fell, you just fall in the water here, right? Saying if you didn't clip a cactus coming down. Not sure if you guys can see, but on this ledge here is a bald eagle. Man, that shade is like 20 degrees cooler, maybe even 30 than when you're out in the sun. It's just so much better out in the sun. It's a pretty cold day today. It's like 50. With a high of 60, but that's not hit until later. Oh, there's that eagle. Jesus, big wingspan there. It's so pretty out here. Very peaceful and quiet too, with a slight breeze. So many little cracks and crevices too into the mountain here where water goes into. I wonder if we can't get a lure to go in there, fish something out, try it out. Sadly, I put the wrong reel on this rod before I left, so it's not the best, but it's gonna have to work. Also about 2.42 miles into the kayaking. We've got about a mile and about a quarter left. Oh, I think I just might have had one. What is happening? Oh gosh. Alright, now I fixed that bird nest of a problem. What knot, you guys tie? I do like to call them or not. Okay, it's back in the same hole. Hey. Tie these two around, go through the hole, take that loop there, and then wrap it around your lure or hook that you're using. I know I'm probably not the best teacher showing like this, but pull tight. That's probably the worst way you've ever seen it done through camera, but we got it done now. Mid snack break at 2.92. Slim Jim. They didn't have Taco Bell seasoning. There's a puddle back there. How am I sinking?
No.
Oh.
What's wrong?
Crap. Okay, so we're about 3.79 miles into kayaking until we get to camp. Got some cool rock formations happening up here, some arches. Also stretching out the legs here. We're about there. Ooh, work that off. Just gotta take around this bend here. Alright, so we have made it to camp. We a little bit of water. Now we need to unpack. 5.5 miles in about 3.5 hours. Camp. Alright, today for lunch we're going to do some MREs. If my military buddies know, they know. Meatballs and marinara sauce.
And spaghetti with beef and sauce. Zach is a huge fan of the chili and mac, so I wasn't allowed to take that
Chili
one.
mac, right. So this is the entree.
I got chocolate protein powder.
Oh, that's delicious.
Italian breadsticks.
Oh, those are really good. I bet you got jalapeno cheese, huh?
I got cheese spread.
Cheese spread, okay.
And raisins.
What'd I get? Okay. Chocolate chip cookie. Okay, that's a good start. Everybody knows the gum. Teriyaki beef stick. What's this? Oh, jalapeno cheese spread. Ooh, cherry blueberry cobbler. You would really like this. Orange beverage, electrolyte drink. All right, there we go. I've already dug in a little bit, but meatball marinara sauce, delicious. With the breadstick. Alright, on the dock out here. Now walk around Bagley Flat. Just looking for any friends maybe that are gonna be staying with us tonight. We have to come back up here later and do some scorpion looking.
Oh yeah.
Because I bet this would be a good area to find them. Now it's a little cold, so like they might not be out or active. It's crazy how quiet it is out here. It's just like nothing. Right here we got an old cactus that had fallen down. Just splat. Now it's really, see in the middle here, there's practically nothing to them. But when they're healthy, they're massive and weigh a ton. I've caught some huge trout on waxworms, little maggots. Big boy.
One.
That's
Ooh.
Alright, now that we're at camp and we set up camp right here. So yeah, right here sounds good. Got base layer first. Rocking the best board again. This tent has been really good. I've used it like 20 times so far since I bought it. Hasn't budged a bit. Alright, and that's good. Not expecting any rain or anything tonight, or heavy winds, so this will be perfect. We're looking at getting down around 30 degrees tonight, maybe even lower, so. Next thing on the list we're going to need is some firewood, so let's get that. Alright, tents up. Firewood's ready for tonight. Now all that is left is to go fishing. You want to go fishing?
Yep. Do you
These are
guys
the
like?
rocks. Can anybody tell me what they think of this one? That looks like a person dancing with wording above it. And this looks like wording as well, or some type of pyramid scheme.
Pyramid scheme? Or maybe it's just a rock. Like the rest of them.
There.
It's really hard to start a fire from nothing hot. Like just from, especially because the stuff is kind of moist right now.
Alright, for dinner we're going to be doing tacos. I got freeze-dried here, freeze-dried hamburger, 3 pounds of it. So we got some water here heating up. Just going to dump this in and give it a spin. Look at that spider. Ooh. Alright, I got some regular taco seasoning here. I'm just gonna put that all in it. And also I have some freeze-dried shredded Colby Jack cheese. So just gonna dump that in there. Ooh, that looks good. I'll let that warm up just a bit. Put that there. Alright, now I can serve it. The lime goes good with everything. And some taco sauce. These packets are the best, just pick them up from Circle K. That's a good taco. Straight from Taco Bell. Shout out Patty, mother-in-law, for making the freeze-dried beef. We'll be showing off a lot of her meals in the future on all of our hikes because she's blessed us with 50 bags of freeze-dried meals. All right, now that dinner's done and dishes are done, Now it's time to go scorpion hunting. All right. I still have yet to see a scorpion here in Arizona. What?
An owl, a baby owl. Do you see it?
All right, gonna head into bed tonight. It's not too cold, so pretty neat seeing that owl, but no scorpions, so that's okay. But see you tomorrow.
All right, good morning.
Good morning.
Just now waking up. It's probably about 8. That wind was whipping hard last night. Through and through, you might be able to hear a little bit. But it wasn't whipping at us, it was just going downstream, so that was good. We're gonna get packed up and get some more fishing in.
There we go. Got that water boiling. Ooh, that's chocolatey. All right, now it's time to take down the tent. Are you able to kick that any further down? Cool. Check me out. Alright, we're currently leaving now. We're in the kayaks. It's super windy. Water's kind of pretty choppy. Don't see too much. I mean, not terrible, but there's a nice view of Four Peaks. Alright, I'm glad we got out of that part of the water. That water is fast and the waves are crashing in all different directions, causing the kayaks to really be uneven. Definitely went down a few times with the pack. The pack is like a 45-pound pack and I'm 215 pounds, so the kayak's holding a lot of weight, especially in the back portion. I probably should evenly distribute it a little bit better, but yeah, you can't really see it too much, but just right here, all that strip out, half a mile down.
There's a lot of water in there.
I'm gonna let that empty and continue down the lake. Alright, we got the kayak out of water a little bit. We're gonna take another. I got some of the water out of the kayak, well, a lot of it anyways. We're gonna take another break up here, this little cove, do some more fishing and just taking the views a little bit. Break the fishing pole. It's a little cave. Some air pockets down. Alright, so we're in the middle of Saguaro Lake back here. Got about 4 miles. We just got another mile left. That's where we just came from. Now we're gonna go right there. I don't know if you see the marina there, so should be another easy, smooth go. Did have some close calls, a bunch of water filled up, but got that taken care of. Back on it now. The 4 peaks are showing themselves again. They're exhausted. Yards. Oh, that's not good. They got like 20 yards. Oh, I'm taking in so much water. Oh my God. We made it. We almost tipped over twice. And